BarryTiger. Subscribe!
The giant black truck.
Hee-haw! Oh, Truck Tauntaun has arrived!
Here I am. What's my task today, little donkey?
Today there seems to be too much stuff. It's making me worry a little.
Don't worry. I'm sure I can handle this load. I'm a strong truck.
Hee-haw! Truck Tauntaun, are you sure this will all fit in there?
I'm sure I still can.
Truck Tauntaun, will you fit more in there?
Just load it. What's going on? Oh no!
Truck Tauntaun, why are you all covered in black?
I need some help.
Huh? Why haven't they arrived here yet? Oh, there you are.
What's going on? Why is Truck Tauntaun so heavy?
Oh my! Truck Tauntaun is overloaded. Dear friends, let's repair the truck together. Oh, we can't raise the rack. We need to move the goods from his body.
Haha! That feels better. I feel so light now.
Look, without the stuff, the rack can now work. And now, let's handle the problem of Truck Tauntaun's black smoke. First, let's open the hood. Oh, look at what I found! The spark plug is broken. Let's first take out the broken spark plug. Wow! I didn't think it could be so badly damaged. We need to put in a new one. Let's also wipe off the dust on the engine.
Hooray! We got rid of that awful smoke! But wait, I'm still all covered in black.
Truck Tauntaun, don't worry. You can get clean in the car wash now. Let's see what we have inside the toolbox. Spray on some washing liquid first. Now, we'll rinse off the foam with water.
Ah!
Lastly, dry the water off with a rag.
It's amazing! I'm finally back to my old self!
The repair is done. Dear friends, you were awesome.
Super Mechanic Barry, I want to thank you for all your help.
You're welcome, Tauntaun. You shouldn't overload your truck.
What am I supposed to do with the rest of the goods now?
Hi, Tauntaun. Let me help you with them. Ah!
Thanks a lot, Flower.
Okay. No work is too